How to find Memo in TONKEEPER. It is not found within the TONKEEPER app itself. It's located on the exchange platform where you're making the deposit. So you have to do, open the exchange app, find the Add Funds button, choose TON as the coin you want to deposit. The exchange will display a field for the memo or tag along with the deposit address. This is where you'll find the unique code needed for your transaction. Copy the memo code from the exchange, go back to the TONKEEPER app and paste the memo code into the designated field when sending your TON. TONKEEPER is a non custodial wallet, meaning you have a full control over your funds. Exchanges like Binance are custodial, meaning they hold your funds. This memo acts as a unique identifier to ensure your deposit goes to the correct account on the exchange. Remember, always double check the memo code before sending any crypto.